This is a brand new 2014 Ford F-150. This truck has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 5.0-liter V8, and the added safety and control of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include Bluetooth cell phone integration, a double wishbone independent front suspension, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, a pass-through rear seat, cruise control, a CD player, front and rear floor mats, front multi-stage airbags, steering wheel mounted controls, full power accessories, external temperature display, and an auxiliary power outlet. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.
Five Star Ford of Plano is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 4400 West Plano Parkway in Plano.